Good Lord, what's going on around here? Look at all this stuff cluttering up the kitchen. Well, it's going to make the kitchen look nice and pretty. I just got done. Well, somebody else installed the countertops and installed the stainless steel sink. And after that, I thought phooey on calling the plumber. I did call a plumber to get a price, and they wanted $750 to install the faucet, the soap dispenser, the drain, what do you call it? The basket strainer. That's called a basket strainer whole thing. I just installed that whole thing down in there. Okay, like that. And for them to install the garbage disposal, install the piping underneath there, $750, $752 to be exact. And that was with me providing a garbage disposal and the sink faucet and the soap dispenser and the strainer. All he was going to have to do was provide the piping for underneath. So over $700 labor to do this. And you don't, that's why I'm making these videos, because I thought, hey, phooey on that. I'll just make some videos and attach them to this to these episodes of the condo renovation and show you that if I can do it in Average Joe, of course you can do it too. I'm not a plumber. I've installed faucets before, basket strainers before, garbage disposals before, but once in a blue moon. Maybe garbage disposals, maybe 3 or 4 in my life. Replaced a couple in my life, taking out an old one and installing a new one.